guys. Yeah, let's carry on. This drawing is from your textbook. And is given in which angle? Sorry? Third angle, eh? So given in third angle, which view will be this one? Top. And this one? Front. So which view is missing? The right view is missing. Eh? So now we are going to project a missing view. Projecting a missing view, it means here you will draw your Cartesian plane. So from here to the start of that one, you can measure 10. You can also measure 10 from there to there. Where it starts, you measure 10, you also measure 10.
So I have a question.
Ask.
If you are doing the right view,
Yes.
if you are answering a question in like an exam or something,
Yes.
and they give us that image and you must draw the right, do we have to draw those things as well?
These two views.
Yes.
You should answer the question.
I should answer the question.
Yes, you should answer the question. So you need not to draw the two views. But if you do not, you cannot able to see the right view, if you cannot able to visualize it, you must project. You can also project it on a question paper.
And then you just copy that.
Then you just copy what they want. Yes. So here I just want to show you how to project. So on the question paper or textbook, you can just project with freehand, just to see how will it look like. So okay, where are we supposed to draw our right view? Where? Here, ne? Yes. So on the part which you are not going to draw anything, you draw line 45. Under this one, we are not going to draw any view. So you draw line 45. This angle must be 45. If here we're not going to draw anything, it means here you're going to draw 45 in that manner. You understand? Eh? Yes. So from there, you must project. You must project the right view. Your right view, you must project it from the given views. So, how do we project? You must take a shape by shape. The same shape you take here, it must correspond with the shape on top there. Then you project it on the other side. It becomes much more easier when you project a shape by a shape. Do you understand? Eh? Yes. Do not project all the lines at the same time, you will end up getting confused. Just take a shape, you finish that shape, you take the other shape. So, okay, let us start with this bigger circle. Can you see this bigger circle? Yes. The height of it is on top there, and the bottom of it is that one, right? The moment you touch your 45 line, you go down. Even here, you also move downwards. You understand? Eh? Yes. I'm sorry about that one. So, okay, I'll try to make sure that it has not closed, because the settings, I don't know where to find the settings. It will take me time to find the settings. So, okay. So this side, this circle at the bottom, it corresponds with which shape?
The rectangle.
The rectangle, eh?
Yeah.
This rectangle?
No, the bottom one.
The bottom one, eh?
Yeah.
So because it goes together with this one, you will project this one there. Can you see?
Yeah.
Meaning when you view from the right, you will see
This shape.
where can you see where they intersect?
Yeah.
So this shape, you will see it there. That is the shape, is this circular shape when you view from the right. So what you're supposed to do is, you're supposed to check if you will able to see it when you view from the right, or you won't able to see it when you view from the right. If when you view from the right, you will be able to see it, it means you use a solid line. But if you weren't able to see it, you use a dash lines. Agree is there? Yes. So for you is to determine if you see it or you won't see it. So will we see it or not?
We will see.
That's what I'm saying. Are we going to see it or not?
Yeah.
You are not sure? Yeah, I like that one. If you are not so sure, you're supposed to tell me. So, okay. Okay. Even though it might not be a correct way to say, to explain it, but somehow, somewhere, 90% I'm correct, ne? Yes, and remember, we're supposed to do this for N3. So what is supposed to do? Agree we are viewing from the right. When I'm standing here, between this side and this other side, the second one, which one is the right? The first side, when you view from this side, ne, is the right. So when you view from this side, agree we're drawing this one. Can you able to see this line? You can able to see it. Can you able to see this thing from the bottom? No, I'm from the view which is at the bottom. Agree at the bottom is this one. You can able to see it, ne?
Yeah.
Yes. So meaning you will able to see it finally because you see it. So what you must know is, once you can able to see it on one view, it means you will able to see it. One view, again here we are given two views. If you can able to see it on this view, it means you can able to see it. If you can able to see it from this view, it means you can able to see it. It do not need to see it here and here. As long as at one view you can able to see it. You understand that part, ne? Yes. So if you do not see it on this view, and you do not see it on this view, it means you won't see it. You get that part, ne? Yes. So because now you see it, you will draw it a solid line. There it is. So from there I can pick any shape. Now I'm going to pick this shape. Can you see this shape? This, which is an ellipse, ne? Yeah, you take the height of it. You project that side. There it is. When I get to 45, I go down with fade line, construction line. When I go that one, I go down. So this side, is it not this one? Yes. So now I will project to that other side. Is that one? Where they intersect. They intersect here, there, and there, and there. Do you understand the intersection part, ne? Yes. So where they intersect, it's where it's either I draw a bold or dash line. So is it dash line or solid line? Solid line. Why are you saying it's a solid line? You can see it.
Yes.
Let us check. Can you see it from this view?
Yes.
According to my explanation, even though my explanation, it cannot be 100% the way it is, but it worked 95% correct. Ne?
According to your explanation.
According to my explanation says,
We cannot.
if from this view, you cannot able to see it. Why? Because can you see this line?
Yes.
When you view from this line, this side, this line is closing your view. It's closing for you to see this one. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, this line. You cannot able to see because of this line. You understand that one? Eh? So meaning from this view, you cannot able to see it. But check from the bottom view. From the bottom view, when you view from this side, is it not this one?
Yes.
So is it anything that causes you from seeing this one here?
No.
Meaning from this one you can see, ne? So what will be the final result? See or don't see? You see. Once you see, is what? Bold lines. Yes. So there, where they intersect, it will be a bold lines.
Solid.
Yeah, solid line. So now I'm going to pick another shape.
Yes.
Is this one? Can you see this one here? I'm going to pick this shape here.
Yes.
This shape, it goes like this. I said a shape must form a closed loop. So this one here is forming a closed loop. So now I project it. The projection lines are already there. So I need to take it to go and collect it from the top.
Yes.
So what is it from the top?
It's one of those second.
It's the dotted one.
The third one.
Yeah.
This one, eh?
Yes.
And if you check, this one is already there, right? So it's just that I just need to check where they intersect. And if I check, they intersect here, there, and there. It's correct, ne? So the question is it solid or is it bold?
It's solid.
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 Therefore, I will make it solid. So, okay, another one. We also have this one. Can you see this shape here?
Yes.
Yeah. Let us also project that one. The bottom line here, the bottom line there is already there. The one which is not there is the top one, which I can project it like that.
Okay.
So at the top, which one is it?
The smallest second.
The smallest second.
Yes.
Ah, you lie. The smallest you lie.
The smallest
The second one.
In the middle.
Yes.
Ah, you lie.
Counting from inside, the second one.
The second one, eh? Yes, the second one is correct. This one, it corresponds with the second one.
Okay.
So it means here we are going to project like that. Let me use the same color. We are going to project there. And you also project there. You go down, you also go down. If you check, this one, they intersect here, ne?
Yes.
Do you see it or not?
We see.
You see it.
Yes.
Someone asking? No one. So if you see it, it means you draw using solid lines. If you can able to see it, it means you draw using a solid lines. So okay. Now I'm going to pick this cycle now. Can you see this cycle? At the bottom, can you able to see it?
No.
This cycle, doesn't it correspond with this one here?
Yes.
It corresponds, eh? So now I project the height of it.
Yes.
And the lines of projection, is it not already there?
It's already there.
So now I will project from the top, which is this one there, and also that one there.
Yes.
Then I go down. I also go down. They intersect here. Can you see? Can you see where they intersect?
Yes.
Yes, with this one. They intersect there. So the question is, do you see it or you don't?
We don't see it.
You don't see it? Yes. You don't see it because when you are here, this line is already closing. When you are here, this line is already closing for you to view from that other side. Therefore, you do not see it. So, as you are not seeing it, it means we draw cutting dash lines. We also have this one.
Question.
Yes.
The center line for that circle, is it required?
Yes, you must draw the center line. So, for now, I'm mostly interested in projection. Yeah, you must also draw the center line. It's easy to draw a center line. You can project it or you just measure the center. Yes. So, okay, now I'm going to take this cycle. Ne? If we take this cycle does not correspond with this one.
Yeah.
It does, ne?
Yeah.
So the bottom projection is already there. So the top projection is that one. It goes like that. Down. Down. Do we see it or not?
We don't see it.
We do see it.
We don't.
We don't.
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't, it means it will be dash lines.
Yeah.
So now, guys, this thing is like that. It's a repetition of one thing. So now, allow me to do only the last hole. You can finish the rest. The last hole, I will pick this one, which corresponds with this one.
Yeah.
They correspond, can you see? When you project that, they pass through the same line. Eh?
Yeah.
Yes. And if we can check this one, okay, it goes like that. When it reaches there, it goes down like that. It also goes down. So here, this hole here, doesn't it correspond with this one?
Yeah.
This one corresponds with this one. Eh?
Yeah.
Can you see that if we project even these two, they go on the same spot? Ne? Both of them, they intersect with the other one from here, right? Yes, if you can check, is that one and also that one. Do we see it or not?
We don't.
We don't see it. Therefore, PD dash lines. Yes,
You know, when we doing these things,
yes.
there's people who ask me what exactly I was doing. What is this thing?
Here, you are drawing a right view.
No. The object itself.
It's an orthographic projection. I agree, for instance, you are given this one. So it's either you draw it in 3D, which is 3-dimension, which is isometric, or you draw per side. You take one side, you put it here, you take the other side. For instance, you have this side, you have this other side, you have also the top side. You are drawing side per side. You are not drawing it in 3D.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I think what he is trying to ask you, Uti, is a 3D of what?
It's what?
Actually, Uti, this is like
This is not 3D. This is not 3D. This one.
yeah, orthography. What
Pro-
projection
yeah,
of,
yeah.
of what?
Yeah.
And not really that Uti.
Oh, I understand now. I think they have written in your textbook. We can read what is it there. Yeah, they do write. Sometimes you do not need to know what is it, as long as you can draw what is required. So some of you do know that some of you do not know a vice grip. If they say draw a vice grip given, they say it's a vice grip. Do you really need to know what's a vice grip, or what you need to know is how to draw it? Yes, how to draw it.
But someone is going to ask me.
But it's much more easier if you know what is it that you are drawing.
Yeah.
It's much more easier. But even if you do not know, you still need to draw.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I can see that on the bottom one.
Kuna curves.
Yes.
What's happening with curves?
Yeah, actually. So, massive project tunnel, it's supposed to have left because that's a cycle, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you must do so. So you must do so.
So it means I must bring the lines
Sorry?
Oh,
You just draw the small curves there. I've shown you how to draw the small curves.
Yeah,
yeah, Seth.
we use student card.
Seth,
Yes.
I wish I went and entered a massive view on the right.
Yes.
Like the cycle is equal to the one on top. That's why you have a straight.
Yeah.
So if Suzofagama caves should there.
Not pencil pants. That's one I am showing you at the bottom, not at top. At top, I need to, on the side, there are no caves. The caves they are on this other
On
part.
the bottom.
Yes, only on the bottom.
Okay, I can.
Was to say something.
Everything is good now. Yeah, it's not.
Okay, so guys, let us find another drawing. This one you can finish. We did not do this cycle and this one, and you can see this one they goes together, and
That one and that one.
yeah, the remaining cycles you know them. Yeah. So let us find another drawing.
Yeah, that's ugly. Nope. Yeah,
All of them you keep on saying yeah. Which one do you want us to do? I want the one which I will able to get the space. I think this one is fine. Eh? I will still have tomorrow. You can go do it. If you fail, you will be here helping you tomorrow. Remember, guys, I'm only here to give you a hint. The rest is up to you. Yes, I cannot go for bigger drawings. When you go for bigger drawings, then when you get stuck, you do not understand somewhere, you come to me. Then I will tell you what is it that you were supposed to do. So even this drawing is in your textbook. I don't know the page. It's there. All these pictures I took them from your book. Let us look on this one. Which angle is this one? First angle. So which view is missing? Left view is missing. Where to draw my 45 line? Which part? Fourth part, ne? Yes, it means I will draw my part there. My 45 is there. So, okay. Can we do this all together? Yes. But there's a video here. So, can you come and someone can come and pick the shape at top and at the bottom? You just come and pick the shape, you project one shape. Then the next one come and project the other shape. Must you understand that there's a video, ne? Okay. No problem. Even if you can do it, no problem. Yes. Eh? Problem what? Good one. Yes?
Drafting exam date
13. I'm not sure, but you'll get them before you write your final. don't want anything to go wrong. Eh? Yeah. Use this one. For this. Yeah, you can sit. You can sit. Before we can draw it in bold, I just want us to look on this, the shape which he has drawn. Can you able to get the shape which he has drawn?
No.
Agree, we said the shape it must form a closed loop.
Yes.
A closed loop. When I'm talking about a closed loop, it means it must start from a certain position and come back to the same position, taking the shortest distance. Okay, let us start here. This one it touches there. Ne? According to me, this one it goes like this. Am I wrong?
You are right.
I'm right, ne?
Yes.
So if it goes like this one, which one does it correspond with it? It corresponds with this one here, right, ne?
Yes.
So this on top, you took it correct.
Okay.
So, but this at the bottom, did you take it correct?
No.
You were supposed to take the height there and also the height there, ne?
Yes.
Then you do something like this. When you get there, it goes up. You see that one, eh? So, which view are we drawing?
We are drawing the left.
The left. The left, it means we draw from this side, ne?
Yes.
Do we see this one when we draw from this side?
Yes.
We do see it. It means it's supposed to be in bold.
Solid.
In solid, yes. So this one, again, this one, it means it goes like something like that. It goes up there. Doesn't it correspond with the same thing?
Okay.
It does, ne? So it means here is bold. Where it intersects is bold. Do not worry that this one and that one is not of the same size. I'm using freehand. Yes. So okay, still on this one, can you see? We have this smaller hole.
Dotted line.
Dotted line.
Sure. Inside that other thing.
We project it there, ne?
Yes.
It's already there, and we project it here.
Yes.
So will we see it or we don't?
We don't.
When you view from this side? You don't, ne? Meaning this will be a dashed lines there. So even same applies, even this side is this one, that small hole, you project it to this side, then dashed lines. Cos. Did you understand?
No.
You don't understand?
I do understand.
Okay. So which other shape? Okay, while we are still on this shape, is it not better to, I guess, take this shape? It is, ne? So we'll project this one. We will project it there. Goes up. We project it. Goes up. So this one is still the same, on the same size with this one, right?
Yes.
Yes. So where did they intersect? They intersect here, right?
Yes.
So when I view from this side, will I see it or not? We will see it, ne? So if we see it, it means solid line. This is the solid line. We also have the wall, or these dash lines. Let me say we have these dash lines. We take it to that other side. It's still on the same length. We also have this wall, which corresponds with this one. When we take it there, it goes in. Is that one? It intersects here.
Dash lines.
Is dash line? Do you all agree with dash lines? There's the dash lines. So, anyone to come and pick another shape? Anyone to come and pick another shape? Any shape which we are doing project.
Sorry.
Yes.
This one.
Which one?
This one. Is that not a shape? Over there. Shape. Or in wrong.
You are right. I'm not facing that. Guys, what he has drawn is correct, but I don't want us to start with that one. Reason being, even the way I have started, I don't prefer you to start with this one, because at the end you do not see what is it that you are drawing. It's best to start with the frame, the one which the just the one which all the shape it look like it is attached on it, so that even if you did not manage, you did not finish, when I check the busy marking, I can see that where this person was going somewhere. When I draw umuntu uqala ngemanyawo. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So let us take this one. If we check, we have this. And we have that one, which they correspond. Ne? So when you project, you will take it that side, you also take it that side. Oh, this is wrong, ne? Yeah, this is wrong. It goes on this line, on top of that one. So if we check, they intersect somewhere here. So the question is, will we see it or not? We will see it, ne? So if we see it, it means we will draw it down both lines. I took it wrong. It goes here, guys. It does not go there, it goes here.
Yes, that's where you took it.
Is this one here?
Yeah.
And this side, it comes here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Meaning it intersects there, and there. It's correct now, ne?
Yeah.
So you said we will see it, this going up and goes down like that.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So, Marshall, the shape which you can, you take on top, you must also able to identify at the bottom. Once that shape you cannot able to identify at the bottom, do not project it. You only project the shape which you can able to identify. You understand, guys? Ne?
Yes.
Okay. So for now, I would like us to take only one shape. We project it. Then we're done. The rest you can able to finish. So that I see if you understand.
Sir,
Yes.
that sheet that I came and I outlined,
Mm-hmm.
we can't identify it there at the top.
At the bottom.
Come and show me. What is it? From the bottom. Now, after you project and show us where it intersects. What is it?
Sir, see you there.
Look here.
So this is the top view again.
This one. Can you see what you're showing me? It goes like this. Up until there. And if you check, it corresponds with this one.
Oh, so we can't see that one.
Hmm?
We can't see it.
I'm saying, show me what is it
Yeah,
at the
it's not,
bottom?
it's not here. Sir. It's not here. Sir.
Cotton command.
Guys, can you please finish this one? Please. You can finish like at home. You can project it in your textbook. What you can do now, guys, I want you to